I'm a shovel freak. Andrew McLean reporting from Svalbard in the Arctic Circle, where I'm here. Came all this way to review the new K2 backside shovel. This is currently my all-time favorite shovel, and I'm a shovel freak, so that's saying a lot. This one has some nice features. One of the things I really like about it is this is called the ferrule. I'm a shovel freak. And it's got a welded insert ferrule. You can see welded, very nice feature. Some shovels stick out and they have extended ferrules, and that means that they don't fit inside packs very well because you've got this little prong ferrule sticking out, but not so with this one. Cut. I'm a shovel freak. This also has a very nice flat back to it. Flat back, you can see straight along there, and that means that it cuts really nice clean pit walls, or as we're digging out right here, this is making a some sort of cook tent pit thing. So nice shovels. It's got a little bit of a nice scoop to it, so it holds snow. You can throw snow, you can rescue. See, it says it right there on that, so it's not just for digging pits. You can rescue with it. This has very nice feature. It's two-part handle, so you can extend it, which is nice for saving your back, so you don't blow your back out while you're crouching over. This also has a very nice grip on it. This is kind of a cast aluminum grip. Fits perfectly. Look at that. I'm a shovel freak. So, and this is a cool thing with this too. You see this little knob, this little spring-loaded detent right there. What you do with that is you can stick it through and you can go into hoe mode. Like,
I knew a girl like that once.
So now you can go hoe mode on your shovel. See that? So how do you hoe mode? Well, let me show you. You grab on like this. Hoe. Heave ho. Look at that.
That's effective.
I'm a shovel freak. Stop me. Somebody stop me. If you so choose, it comes with a little kit in it that allows you to turn your skis into a rescue sled. I took it out. I don't care about Noah if he gets his leg broken. As long as I'm moving, I'm fine. This is another feature. I like this nice square corner on it, on the back, because that allows your foot to go whoop. It doesn't glance off. It's a nice little lip there. So say if you're trying to punch through some hard Arctic, easy stomping. Great shovel, very well thought out, well designed, strong, lightweight, K2 backside rescue shovel. Double thumbs up. I like it a lot. I'm a shovel freak.